While pregnancy is a beautiful journey, it is common to face the challenge of shedding extra kilos after the pregnancy. In this video, we will explore 3 effective weight loss tips specially tailored for the new mothers. Number 1, focus on healthy eating. Yes, after giving birth, it is very important to nourish your body from within. With wholesome foods, opt for a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Always avoid crash diets as they can negatively impact your milk supply and overall health. Instead, make gradual changes to your eating habits and also sustainable weight loss. Number 2, incorporate gentle exercises. Engaging in gentle exercises such as postpartum walk, yoga can support your body's recovery and aid in post-pregnancy weight loss. Start slowly, listen to your body, consult with your doctor, and make an exercise routine. Make it gradual. Don't push yourself hard. Number 3, and very important, is a restful sleep. Enough sleep is very essential for new mothers because it keeps your hormones in check and also makes your body fit to lose weight. Create a relaxing and 9 hours of sleep schedule. Prioritize your rest while supporting your weight loss. Well, in conclusion, we can say that post-pregnancy weight loss is a journey that requires patience, self-care, dedication. By focusing on your diet, exercise, and your sleep, you can actually lose weight after your pregnancy. But always remember, you're a new mother and your journey is very unique. Cherish your special moments with your newborn baby and don't push yourself hard to lose your weight in just seconds. Well, the process needs to be gradual and healthy. Hope you like this video. For more such content, subscribe to The Daily Guardian.